Hi, I'm Stephanie Rubletz. Welcome to my channel. Today we are kicking off our top 10 reSEWlutions of 2020. Alright, today we are tackling reSEWlution number 1, which is to eat healthier. How can sewing help me eat healthier? I'm so glad you asked. Number 1, if you don't already pack your lunch to go to work, if you work outside of your home, this is a huge thing for people. Not only, like, I could have put the packing your lunch also under, like, buy less, save more category, because buying lunch, let's face it, it's expensive. But I put it under the eat healthier category because I feel like when people are in the middle of a workday and they're making decisions on the fly, or maybe they're working somewhere where there's not a lot of choice, we don't make the best decisions. So there are tons of even free patterns of DIY lunch kits, lunch bags, lunch boxes, whatever you want to call them. And you can absolutely sew your own up. And why not, while you're at it, make yourself a nice set of linen napkins, maybe a nice little cutlery holder, so that you can feel like you are sitting down to a meal when you eat your lunch. It just makes it taste better. So, sewing your own lunch bag so that you're taking a lunch to work, that is the first way that you can use sewing to help you eat healthier. The second way is by sewing a tortilla warmer. If you're not on, okay. My family basically lives on a taco train. Like, if I want my kids to eat something, I stick it in a tortilla. Oh no, I hope they don't see this. I'm revealing my secrets. But tortillas are better when they're warm, and they need to be, like, steamed a little bit so that they're not breaking apart, especially if you're using all corn tortillas, which my husband has celiac disease, so we have to stay gluten-free. So we do use corn tortillas. If you sew yourself a nice tortilla warmer, you can dampen the fabric, and that will help, like, steam your tortillas. Make sure that you are doing this with 100% cotton, okay? You don't want to be sticking, like, any kind of poly or poly blend in your microwave. Bad news. So that is the second way that sewing can help you eat healthier. All right, and the third way that you can use your sewing machine to help you eat healthier, lots of people are moving away from nonstick pans. Now listen, don't come at me in the comments. This is a personal choice thing. Use them, don't use them. I'm not advising you, but if you just, the point is some people use cast iron pans instead. And cast iron pans do not have, like, a plastic handle or some kind of handle that's not going to get hot. So what you can make is you can make these super cute little skillet handle cozies, and they will keep you from burning your hand. You're not going to have to, I mean, I don't even know how many times I've gone to, like, realize all of a sudden that I needed to move something off of the heat and just grab the pan without, like, grabbing my oven mitt or a towel first, and been like, then it's not fun. It's not fun to burn yourself. So there you go. 3 ways that you can use your sewing machine to help you eat healthier. So if that was one of your New Year's resolutions, let me know in the comments below which one of those you might try to do. Or if you have any other ideas, pop them down below. Like, let's keep the ideas going, because you probably can think of stuff that I didn't think of, and then you can tell everybody else. And that would be awesome. All right, I will be back here tomorrow with reSEWlution number 2. Until then, have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll see you tomorrow.